Welcome to Terberg Special Vehicles. Today we're taking a close look at our RT diesel-powered tractors, purpose-built for the steepest RoRo ramps and the heaviest industrial yards. The RT have a long proven legacy in ports and industrial sites. It is a market-leading solution for the niche it was designed for. RoRo and port terminals, industry and recycling, consistently meeting the specialised needs of customers worldwide. These 4x4 tractors have a 3,300mm wheelbase, up to 165-tonne gross combined weight, and a 35-tonne fifth wheel lift. It handles even the heaviest loads smoothly and confidently. The model numbers in the RT diesel range reflect the available engines. You can choose from 3 heavy-duty Volvo TAD Stage V 8-litre engines. The RT253 features a 160 kilowatt engine handling gross combined weight up to 150 tonnes. The RT283 and the RT323 come with 210 kilowatt and 235 kilowatt engines, both capable of moving up to 165 tonnes depending on operating conditions. An engine brake lets the driver select between off, half, or full braking capacity, especially useful when working on ramps in fixed gear mode. All RT diesel models come with a power shift transmission featuring 6 forward gears and 3 reverse gears, operated through 4 shifted positions. Positions 1 to 3 offer fixed gear selections, ideal for precise control on ramps, while position 4 activates a fully automatic mode designed for driving on flat surfaces, providing the flexibility needed for demanding RoRo and yard operations. When it comes to trailer coupling, the RT series offers real flexibility. For most of the RoRo applications, a fifth wheel coupling is required. But we also support rear-mounted drawbar couplings factory fitted to the back plate, ideal for shuttle runs and multi-trailer setups. Need more? The chassis can be factory prepared for a trestle system, which is common in RoRo terminals. And to further boost safety and performance on steep ramps, there's our patented safe neck. This system optimises axle load distribution, keeping more weight on the front axle when needed, improving both stability and permissible payload compared to the traditional gooseneck option. Let's step inside the comfortable cab. Our patented ErgoTurn 180 seat and steering console includes pedals and controls, rotates as a single unit, ensuring you always face the direction of travel, and because your seat position remains close to the sidewall in both directions, you have optimal visibility for precise manoeuvring. And here's the smart part. When your seat rotates 180 degrees, the optional Logic steering system automatically adjusts. The cabin offers plenty of space to work comfortably, with large windows that improve all-around visibility and help minimise blind spots. Standard features include an air-suspended driver's seat, a steering column adjustable in height and angle, and cabin mounting on special rubber isolators that slash vibration to a minimum. For added confidence on the ramps, an exhaust brake provides controlled deceleration, while the parking brake engages automatically whenever you rotate the seat. Cabin air filtration keeps the environment clean. Right-hand drive is available as an option. Entry is low and wide, so climbing in and out, even with PPE, is safe and quick. The driver display shows key information like fuel level, DEF, and system settings. Storage compartments offer space for personal items and paperwork. The RT series has a tight steering angle, making it easy to maneuver in narrow spaces. The adjustable seat and steering column help every driver, even taller or larger drivers, find a comfortable working position, even during long shifts. The RT series features a heavy-duty, fully welded chassis for high torsional rigidity. Cast steel components add extra strength and ensure proven long-term durability. The cab has been ROBS and FOBS tested, providing protection against rollovers and falling objects. Key components are positioned high and well protected to reduce the risk of damage during daily operation. Galvanised anti-skid platework with serrated edges provides safe footing and long-term resistance to corrosion. Daily checks on the RT are straightforward and quick. You can easily inspect all essential fluid levels: engine oil, transmission oil, hydraulic oil, coolant and washer fluid, as well as perform visual checks on the fifth wheel and general vehicle condition. Everything is placed within easy reach for quick and safe inspections. Our option catalogue lets you tailor each RT to your exact workflow. Highlights include air conditioning, air suspended cabins, right-hand drive, raised air intake, multi-mode speed limiter, gooseneck and extra hydraulics for safe neck trailer systems, LED headlights, 3.5-inch fifth wheel, lots of cabin options, pneumatic door, additional mirror sets, and ballast kits for heavy drawbar or multiple trailer systems. Many options can even be retrofitted, protecting your investment as requirements evolve. We've also developed the RT403, built for the heaviest industrial challenges, designed specifically for extreme duty in steel mills and demanding yard environments. It features a robust drivetrain and a reinforced chassis. With a fifth wheel lifting capacity of 45 tonnes and gross combination weight up to 375 tonnes, it's ideal for heavy steel operations, extreme RoRo tasks and multi-trailer system handling. The market-leading Terberg RT series, specific for RoRo terminals and industry, has a tremendous track record, built for long-term performance and ready to perform. Curious about our electric model? Get in touch with your Terberg contact.